We're in Napoli. Napoli in southern Italy. Beautiful, beautiful, big city with a lot of passion and love and wonderful people. We're walking on a street in Naples, on the beach. I don't even know the name of the street, but look how beautiful it is. All the restaurants are open and it's all outdoor dining. We're trying to figure out where to eat. A good pizza. I can't tell yet. It's our first round. We're gonna check out all the restaurants and then go from there. I picked one. Should we see? What kind of pizza do you like? You have to have margherita with fior di latte in Naples. Fior di latte is a type of mozzarella.
This one out of all the choices.
The smell. Can you smell it? The smell of the yeast. That's what got me.
So what's the difference between a pizza from this part of Italy than, say, Rome or somewhere else?
It's the dough, and the style. So as you can see, there's a lot of dough. The crust, it's a big crust. It's not a thin crust pizza. In Rome, they do more thin crusts. But there's different kinds of pizza. It depends on the region and the area of Italy. So I personally like a thin pizza because that's what I'm accustomed to, being from the north. But that doesn't mean that this is probably one of the best pizza you're about to have ever. This is still very thin, but the crust is nice and fluffy and big. I would like to also try the fried pizza. That's very traditional of Naples, which they sell all around the street, the fried pizza. So we'll have it here, and then we'll compare it to others. We have a salad with mozzarella, almonds, prosciutto. This is arancino. It's a rice ball with meat inside and cheese. Try it. Very, very traditional. I think this is gnocco fritto, which is like a fried pizza dough, and it blows up like this, and then they put things on top of it. Creamy, fluffy dough. Smells great. You have to get the meatball in there.
Verdict?
Hold on. Five.
5 out of 5?
5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Wow, this is big.
Wow.
This is as big as my head. It's bigger than my head, this one. Psst. Right in the middle. Is the gym open at 12 at night? This fried. Oh, it's hot. Three. People say, "Oh, you're so picky. You're so picky. You're so picky. You don't like anything. You don't like anything. You don't like." But I mean, to be honest, I think about it and I get so disappointed a lot. There was like one place in Anguilla, but I was maybe 23, 22 when I went. And so I still probably had a young palate, but I remember like it made an impact on me on the island of Anguilla. And I remember eating mussels that were excellent. And even then, I remember going back home and going, oh, I gotta make mussels. They had a little bit of chopped tomato and parsley, done in a very Italian style way, but they were delicious. They were just fresh mussels. You could tell the freshness of it and just the simple, good ingredients used. And that made that impact where I went back and then duplicated. For me, traveling is very important because it makes my food always better with each trip I take. And the reason being is because I always end up having this want to go see the markets, the fish market, the vegetable market, all the spices that they have available. And so I take all those experiences and then figure out a way of introducing those different ingredients into my cuisine. And that's why it's so important for me that I travel. This is a macchiato. Excellent.
What's the ice cream?
This is a lemon and vanilla gelato. This ice cream, a 9. Really, Italians eat like 5 flavors. Let me show you really fast. Although you have all these flavors, really the most popular ones are like vanilla, limone, cioccolato, nocciola, and pistachio. The flavors that Italians love to eat. And as we did, usually after a nice dinner, you come and get a gelato at night. And yours is melting.
You know what that means?
It's